Hey everybody, Abel here from TechNave. We're gonna do a hands-on on the Sony Xperia XZ2. Let's go. So this is your typical flagship phone. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, 3180 milliamp, and the display is only 5.7 inch. Is there anything else? Well, it has some cool features just like water resistant, 3D creator, and 3D surround sound, which we'll check out later. But most importantly, we're gonna talk about the design here. So Sony calls this the ambient flow design. The phone is really thick, and it's because of this back design. It's meant to, as they say, fit in your palm perfectly, which I think it kind of works. It's really nice to look at actually. It's nice to hold, but it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. Overall, I quite like this new design. There's no notch on top. And the power button seems to be further away from the volume button for some reason. You still have your shutter button right here. And the fingerprint sensor is a bit lower than usual. It's a bit inconvenient for me. I guess I have to get used to it to unlock my phone. So one of my favorite things about this phone is having a dual stereo speaker. You can see there's a thin line right here, which is the secondary speaker, and the main one is right over here. And not only that, it has a dynamic vibration stereo, which you can see here. I put in max, and this is pretty great for playing games or watching movies or whatever. You can really feel the vibration. I guess this is pretty great for the entertainment experience.
I have to fight bad guys like you.
I seem to mess it up almost every time.
Maybe you just need someone watching your back.
Then you have a 3D creator, which has been around since last year. You can play and make your own 3D face model. Face scan, head scan, foot scan, and freeform, which is actually allowing you to scan any type of objects, which is pretty cool, I guess. Doing a scanning on yourself is really not easy, but I think it'll be easier if you have someone to help you, and the fact that I can do this by myself is quite impressive, and it's really creepy too. So that's all about the Sony Xperia XZ2. Stay tuned for a future review at TechNave.com. It's now available in Malaysia for 3,299 ringgit, and we'll see you guys next time. Woo!